Hello and a warm welcome to Mega Technology, where we explore the fascinating realm of heavy machinery, modern innovations, and the latest technologies. Sany Global has created the SCE 800TB, all-electric telescopic boom crawler crane with a lifting capacity of 80 tons. It was based on the company's previous version of the crane, with Danfoss technology in the electric version, which is now available through a series order for export to the European market. The benefits include reduced noise for crane operators on job sites. This model features an all-electric system with permanent magnet synchronous motor technology and an inverter supplied by Danfoss Power Solutions with a D1P hydraulic pump. The new crane boasts high performance and high reliability. The technique adapts perfectly to a dirty construction site and is an efficient end to all types of lifting work. The LR1500 crawler crane is a simple, powerful, and compact unit for any construction site. Thanks to the main lifting mechanism, it is possible to move the crane with a lifted load up to a maximum lifting capacity of 500 tons. At the same time, the dimensions of this cool machine are quite compact, like a 400-ton crane. All parts weigh up to 45 tons and are no more than 9.8 feet wide, which means there are no limitations to transporting this crawler monster around the world. Thanks to the matching counterweight cart, it can move right along with the load on the hook without any problems. Another big plus is the quickly installed center ballast made of several concrete elements. The upper part forms a secure platform for the counterweight cart. The Mastodon M60 Forester Mulcher is designed to give land clearing professionals the ultimate in mulching performance. Inside the machinery's compact frame is a massive 160cc adjustable hydraulic motor controlled by the E-Tech Smart Drive system. The head develops up to 780 pounds of tree shredding torque at a maximum rotor speed of 2,200 RPM. The industry's most powerful driveline is utilized for vegetation processing with the new Mastodon carbine feed control tooth, which delivers sharp steel cutting performance and maintenance-free carbine durability. This heavy-duty rail-mounted robot, SLR-150H, from Dango and Dienenthal, has been designed for gripping, turning, lifting, and tilting rings and discs. In addition, its pincers with easily switchable gripping surfaces enable various forging operations. With a choice between manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic integrated SLR control, maximum flexibility is ensured. The heavy-duty robots of the SLR series are indeed the best choice for frequently repetitive handling operations, such as moving forgings between furnace and press and loading and unloading rotary hearth furnaces. They are specially designed for use in forging and ring-rolling shops. In other words, for heavy loads, high-temperature environments, and applications requiring long reach. The MC815 stands at the head of the popular Maeda lineup with a whopping 8.09 tons of lifting capacity, making it the most powerful forklift in its class today. With a lift height of 64 feet and a new 10.4-inch multifunction touchscreen monitor and an additional 1-ton capacity, this crane offers unmatched versatility and high lift capacity. The optional 1.5-ton capacity SWL hydraulic 2-section extension increases the maximum lift height to 84 feet. There is an all-new search hook that provides a best-in-class load capacity of up to 1 ton. New to this model are a power lift mode and multiple outrigger mode, joystick radio control, self-leveling function, automatic crane folding by remote control, and an EU stage IIIB compliant engine that makes the machine environmentally friendly. The XC7000 is the largest tonnage mining excavator independently developed by XCMG to meet the requirements of large-scale mining construction. The excavator is equipped with intelligent fault monitoring and self-diagnosis system, centralized fire extinguishing system, as well as lubrication system and a variety of safety equipment to ensure the safe and efficient operation of the whole machine. And what's more, you can count on easy operation and convenient machine maintenance. Depending on the mining design, the machine can flexibly choose between 2 power options, diesel engine or motorized engine, and 2 operating modes. The Kaiser S8 Allroad is a truly unique walking excavator that defines a new performance class of such mobile machines: robust, maneuverable, and highly efficient. With maximum adjustability, the undercarriage provides the proven high stability that is the hallmark of all Kaiser mobile walking excavators. Entirely new in this weight category is the optional rotoline system. The S8 Allroad technology is based on the latest S12 generation and complements perfectly the Kaiser range. With its stable and robust splitter twin-wave screening platform, the Trax Splitter X2 is an expert for heavy, sticky, and partially uncrushed materials: stones, clay, contaminated landfill soil. Thanks to the trough-shaped design and the tilt angle adjustment, the material stays on the screen deck longer, is cleaned of sticky impurities, and reliably separated into 2 fractions. In addition to producing the finished product, the Splitter X2 is also ideally suited for preparing the material for subsequent processes. Like all the company's machines, the Splitter X2 is characterized by a wide range of adjustment options, as well as clog-free and rewind-free operation. In a world where every drop of fuel is worth its weight in gold, Rex stands as the champion of efficiency and flexibility in the mining industry. Don't be afraid of narrow lanes or steep climbs, because with a 15.7-foot turning radius and width and the ability to negotiate gradients of up to 12%, the Rex will get your load where it needs to go with ease. Best of all, it does so economically, traveling up to 24.8 miles with a full load and reducing fuel consumption by 20 to 30%. Its 5-axle, 20-wheel design is not only unique, but can haul up to 160 tons of cargo at speeds up to 37 miles per hour, making the Rex a true truck marathoner. The Brachy P11A is the Swiss knife among planters, equipped with everything you need for forest regeneration from A to Z. The machine turns regeneration into a work of art, considering ecology at every step. From scarification to precise planting, the P11A does it with ease right from the cab. It creates mounds of humus ideal for all soil types and places new life in the middle of each compacted mound. All parameters are controlled through the PLC platform and displayed, allowing the operator to select the ideal conditions for each seedling. Every action, from sowing depth to considering the plants already growing, is controlled with incredible precision. The Twinka ES500 Slim from Twinka has a payload capacity of 0.5 tons and is ideal for limited space. This mini dump truck is designed for gardens, gardening, as well as for demolition and outdoor work, etc. The high lift feature increases efficiency and is particularly characterized by the ability to unload stacked or over high edges, such as a container. At 32.11 feet, the ES500 Slim has a very comfortable loading height. A fully charged battery keeps the machine running for a full day's work, and charging takes 4 to 5 hours. The machine's automatic steering mechanism reduces the need for physical labor to a minimum, even when the mini dump truck is heavily loaded. The steering mechanism can be moved and adjusted according to the operator's height. This helps ensure an optimal ergonomic working position for the operator and reduces physical strain. The Watermaster multi-purpose amphibious dredger excels at tasks that would normally be accomplished with several machines. With its versatile array of quick-change work attachments, the Watermaster can perform all shallow water jobs from dry ground to a depth of 22 feet. The Technique has a 6-cylinder engine with turbocharger Caterpillar C7.1. The fuel tank capacity is 1,200 liters. The dredger is equipped with a modern cabin with excellent visibility, which has received FOPS certificate for protection from falling objects. There is also a function of self-locking and working movement without the use of additional vessels, winches, and cables. The Roxcon H4 hydraulic refinisher was developed in Western Australia specifically to increase crop and pasture productivity and to work well with the remediation of difficult soils. The Technique has a working width of 3 meters and typically operates at speeds of 10 to 13 kilometers per hour. In most agricultural situations, 3 to 5 passes are required. but only one pass can be efficient when used as a deep loosener over rough terrain. Farmers can typically work about 10 hectares a day with the Refinator H4, which can work faster than many other deep loosening machines. The machine is ideal for working on heavy terrain with numerous stumps and stones. With remarkable precision and attention to detail, this machine performs its work daily, reminiscent of the activities of an experienced surgeon. Its capacity for precise and accurate manipulation makes it an indispensable tool in its field. OMEPS has introduced its new 29 cubic meter double tipping tank truck with a steel chassis. It features a lightweight aluminum chassis that provides maximum payload for each load. The tanks also feature double-sided aisles, folding handrails, and quick-loading hatches with only 4 cam levers. Ring welds are ground inside the tank to allow free flow of product to the discharge cone when tipping. A pneumatic vibrator is installed at the rear of the bottom of the tank to facilitate cleaning of the product at the end of loading. The discharge cones are made of polished stainless steel, hinged and bolted for accessing and cleaning the inside of the tank. They are equipped with 5 Solimer aerators that create an effective aeration zone to liquefy the base material before discharge. Meet the Hexatram. Yes, the same truck that can pull 6 trailers at a time between farms, loading heavy timber. Just imagine, the Volvo FMX can haul up to 200 tons in a single trip, which is truly impressive. And if we say that the truck was designed to handle heavy-duty applications, we're not fooled. It is also equipped with a 12-speed I-shift transmission and 2 additional super low gears. For such an iron monster, picked up the D13 engine with a capacity of 540 horses, which retains power and at the same time provides the best ratio of economy, performance, and fuel consumption. When engineering meets art, the CIFA K47H on Mercedes-Benz Arocs 8x4 is born, a concrete pump that knows no equal. The heart of this beast beats to the rhythm of 4,944 cubic feet of concrete per hour, surging free through the carbon fiber veins of its booms. And not just a machine, it's the epitome of power and grace, where every element, from the antennas to the handrails, play its unique role in creating a symphony. Behind every sound of its engine is the promise of unrivaled power, providing not only efficiency but also inspiration on the way to completing each project. Hilton Engineering recently introduced a new 320T aerial platform model that sets new standards for fire aerials. The first 2 platforms were delivered to Groningen Fire Brigade in the Netherlands, and 5 new platforms are currently in production and awaiting delivery. The new 320T is a result of almost 30 years of experience and continuous improvements in quality, reliability, and user-friendliness. That's why the machine really does have unique characteristics and provides maximum reliability even in the most critical situations. In addition, the 32-meter platform is also available in carp versions, a combined air rescue pump with an additional water, foam tank, and water pump. If there's one job on the farm that everyone struggles to do, it's certainly not picking up stones. It's a messy, labor-intensive task that never seems to end. And no matter how attentive the operator of a trailed or walking picker is, there will always be stones left in the field. The Quicker Picker is the first rotary rock picker to attach to the front of mini loaders with at least 60 horsepower. The 400 and 800 models are available. The 400 model, which can hold up to 900 pounds of rocks, has a drum length of 36 inches and a diameter of 30 inches. Not surprisingly, the 800 model offers increased both size and load capacity, holding up to 2,000 pounds and offering a drum length of 48 inches and a diameter of 36 inches. The Mobile Diamond Wire Saw, abbreviated MDS, is a new development from Schwing, primarily designed for the natural stone industry for cutting rough blocks of any type of stone and cutting trenches directly in the mining area. The cutter, which is mounted on a Manitou telehandler, is moved to the site and precisely adjusted to the distance required to make the desired cut. Its position can be adjusted individually, thanks to its wide 66-degree swivel range. The diamond wire is then driven at speeds ranging from 65 to 130 feet per second, thus beginning the cutting process. The unfolding of the MDS cutting machine is a separate and very impressive visual spectacle. The K-Tech Model 1228 ADT is a powerful machine with excellent maneuverability. K-Tech's lowest cost to install ADT scraper provides high productivity on small, heavy-duty construction sites. The all-welded rigid frame model 1228 ADT has a 28 cubic yard payload capacity, which is highly impressive. The 1228 ADT is an attractive choice for contractors who have older or idle ADTs in their fleet with 25 to 35 ton capacities that can be converted into efficient and versatile scraper dump trucks. Guided by the Prenoth Clean Motion philosophy, they have revolutionized snow removal technology. Their electric Husky E-Motion and Lightwolf H2 Motion hydrogen-powered models, both with fuel cells and internal combustion engines, take environmentally friendly snow removal to a new level. The Lightwolf H2 Motion, for example, is a concept vehicle that combines performance and environmental friendliness. The hydrogen snowplow was developed with two different powertrains, a fuel cell, and an internal combustion engine. The hydrogen is stored in tanks mounted on the rear of the machines, allowing up to 4 hours of operation. With its modern cabin design and all the best features of this flagship rat track, the path to eco-friendly winter sports is being paved. The 875E is a multi-purpose carrier with two boom options for loading or handling wood under the most challenging operating conditions. Optimally positioned controls and a large touchscreen display improve ergonomics and overall machine control. Model advantages include better service access, more reliable undercarriage components, and extremely efficient hydraulic circuits. The result is high productivity, uptime, and fuel efficiency. The undercarriage is designed and built to withstand the rigors of constant use. The heavy-duty body provides additional stability when working with heavy timber. The Maston Brioc 4020 drainage plow is the largest investment ever made by Farm Services Limited in its 75-year history, and it represents the future of the company. It is one of the unique and modern drainage machines in Europe. It is custom-built to customer specifications and weighs 32 tons on a 31.5-inch wide, 21-foot-long tracks. The machine installs plastic drainage pipes with diameters of 2.3, 3.15, 3.9, and 6.3 inches to a depth of 71 inches. The technique has a Volvo Penta TAD 1372VE fourth-stage diesel engine rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. You see the Zoom Lion ZR360L rotary drilling rig, which has a maximum drilling diameter of 8.2 feet and a maximum depth of 328 feet. The main rear winch of the machine with a single-coiled wire rope reel with a dual-gear mechanism greatly increases the service life of the steel wire rope. The high efficiency of the design is ensured by a high-flow main pump, a multi-stage rotor drive, and a 2-speed feed cylinder. A more stable design and higher load-carrying capacity are achieved by improved mass section. Double booms with parallel lowering mechanism, large slewing platform, and reinforced chassis. Bucket Mouth TSG 1000 Stump Grinder is up to any task. The company has been involved in site preparation and land conservation for over a decade, and its machinery has been involved in some of the largest land conversions in the world. The new tracked machine is ideal for plantations affected by forest fires or drought. With it, you can mulch standing trees, leaving behind a finish that can be planted immediately. The Bucket Mouth LSG 900 Stump Grinder, rugged, reliable, and efficient. The system returns all nutrients back to the soil when land is converted, removing all stumps ready for planting. This cool forestry attachment will surprise even those who seem to have seen everything. Just look at how coolly the machine cuts old trees and moves them to safety, leaving only unsightly stumps. Forget about overflowing bins thanks to the pack mat compactor. One pass and the raw material is already converted into compact material, making room for new material. And what's even better, PackMat also offers a solution to easily transport these bins, making the waste management process as efficient as possible. The Multi-One solar panel washer is designed to gently clean the top surface of a solar panel array. This system can also be used for cleaning building walls, tunnel walls, and ceilings and Jersey-style barriers. The hydraulically controlled solar panel washing system consists of a telescoping arm and rotating brush, and to prevent damage, an electronic or proportional control system that constantly checks and adjusts the distance between the brush and the surface being cleaned. The large rotating brush with soft bristles allows solar panels up to 9.8 feet long to be cleaned quickly, efficiently, and without damage. It's worth remembering the 1980s when the Difco turf cutter first burst onto the scene, revolutionizing the world of peat extraction and changing the landscape of manual labor forever. This ingenious attachable turf cutter ushered in a new era, delivering high efficiency with a 9 to 11 tons per hour output. Imagine the leap forward from debilitating manual labor. With a choice of cutting blades adapted to different peatland depths, from shallow to premium black peat, the Difco turf cutter provides the perfect fit for any customer's needs. Not to mention the hydraulic pressure relief valve and chain protection, which ensures that even unexpected obstacles won't be a problem. It's not just a machine, it's a revolution in peat production. Road safety is the one task that requires precision and attention to all details. X-Cone transforms this challenge by providing a fully automated system for controlling traffic cones. With a user-friendly 7-inch touchscreen, drivers can easily set the desired cone spacing starting at 32.8 feet, allowing them to tailor the markings to any roadwork condition. The X-Cone has the unique ability to adapt to the needs of any situation, deploying and collecting cones on both sides of traffic flow. This not only contributes to the safety of personnel, but also significantly increases the productivity of the workflow, making each action more focused and efficient. The Toro Dingo TX1300 Compact Tracked Universal Loader is a new combination of power, reach, and easy operation in the Toro Dingo lineup. If you need to move a lot of material, the Dingo TX1300 will get the job done efficiently. It's ideal for landscaping and tree maintenance work, although its versatility allows you to use it for more. The Dingo TX1300 features the exclusive IntelliScope loader boom with smart load technology, giving the operator an additional 26 inches of reach. The impressive 109-inch articulating pin height allows loads to be lifted up and over the side of a dumpster or truck. The goal of these features is to help users maximize productivity. The self-propelled 3-wheeled machine with the latest suction unit is used to clean festival grounds and streets, and in the winter to suck up leaves for various municipalities. The 3-wheeled bike, as it is called, is very maneuverable. The location of the suction nozzles on the front of the machine, rather than the rear, prevents the vehicle from pushing the waste into the ground beforehand. The fans provide suction power and dirt pulverization. Due to its small size, the machine is easy to maneuver among the objects at the festival. The machine can unload the waste into a container using a hydraulic tipper. If you are looking for the perfect crane mat paving machine, here it is in front of you. It is fast, powerful, stable, and efficient. It is the perfect all-in-one machine. You can easily transport, install, remove, and pave concrete mats more efficiently and faster than any other machine on the market. As standard, the Timber Pro is equipped with a continuous cab rotation system. This allows the operator to operate the machine without the need for unnecessary maneuvering. Such machines have also proven their effectiveness in other areas, such as logging operations, for example. The West Bundle Sage is a special firewood saw, and here's how it works. If an area is filled with wood, a so-called clamp is used to hold the logs in place. A tractor with 70 horsepower or more can be used to bring the filled firewood saw to where it ultimately needs to be cut. At the push of a button, the saw, whose teeth are only 0.04 inches thick, starts up and chews through the wood from bottom to top, which is automatically cut to the desired length. The ejector transports the remaining wood in the box to a stack of previously sawn logs. The firewood saw takes about 4 minutes to cut 1 metric piece of wood into 13-inch pieces. Let's decipher the features of the XCMG scissor elevator manufactured by Suzhou, China. It is an all-electric vehicle with 2 front driving wheels, which ensures safety thanks to a new alarm system. The electric scissor elevator is a new elevating work platform designed and manufactured with a working height of 314 inches and an overall width of 30 inches, a lifting capacity of 617 pounds, a platform extension length of 35 inches, and a surmountable elevator of 25%. This kind of equipment can be used in an entirely different type of construction. And what's more, it features zero emissions, high environmental friendliness, stable lifting and lowering, easy operation, and convenient maintenance. The hoist is widely used in factories, warehouses, construction sites, and is especially suitable for narrow working spaces. Dramas, which specializes in the production of multi-axle mining trucks, has introduced a new 3-link tipping road train model, D150T. The tractor is a Kenworth T500 chassis with 2 front steerable axles and a rear drive bogie tridem. Under the hood of the tractor is a diesel engine with an output of 605 horsepower, which is equipped with an automatic hydromechanical transmission in 2 3-axle semi-trailers. The capacity of the body unloaded to the side of each of which is 40 cubic meters. 11-axle road train can carry up to 150 metric tons of cargo. This machine will find applications in the transportation of gold ore and other heavy materials. Have you ever seen Sennebagan operate with the precision of a surgeon, carefully removing only those sections of trees that have failed or are no longer needed? It's like a dance where every step is designed to preserve the health and beauty of nature, and the waste is immediately converted into a useful resource. The All-John 580CL is a full-featured, twin-cylinder vehicle stacker pickup capable of efficiently processing more than 20 to 25 end-of-life cars, vans, and pickup trucks, including engines, transmissions, and undercarriage. Power is provided by a proven Volvo Penta Tier 4 final diesel engine or electric motor. The comfortable, climate-controlled cab features an exclusive monitoring system that allows the operator to monitor machine functions as well as see the baling function in real time. Meet the DGT Modified Wrecker Super Heavy Duty Wrecker, patented by Big Technique. The machine features a 2-cylinder 80-ton tilt head with no extendable boom and a 3.3-foot, 2-stage hydraulic extendable bottom elevator. The hydraulic system includes tubing, hoses, and a 10-function Bucher safety valve block. The installation includes a power tilt to minimize damage to bumpers. The tow truck also has one 20-ton Sepson hydraulic winch with 30-meter cable, pressure rolling, and pneumatic-free spool. The rig is fully sized and made up of modern Domex 900 steels, equipped with deluxe stainless steel tall boxes and a trestle. And here is the Svyodovid excavator with a telescopic boom on a man chassis, which successfully passed all tests and was certified according to all standards. The development is an excavator with a universal chassis, which together are ideal for work in almost any conditions. These are difficult road conditions requiring constant maneuvering in harsh climate and long distances. It is due to its versatility that man is so popular, and that is why its use with an excavator superstructure seems to be the most effective. By the way, man chassis are actively used in construction, oil and gas production, and transportation structures due to their reliability and versatility. The machine will become your main work assistant and will help you to achieve high results from shift to shift. The SmartRock T40 surface drilling machine is equipped with a state-of-the-art intelligent control system, making it operator-friendly and business-friendly. Its main application is in construction material quarries, where efficiency and reduced environmental impact are essential. By providing the right power at every stage of drilling, the machine optimizes fuel consumption without compromising performance. These new features make the machine versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.